Guess we got mail. Oh, fuck, yeah. Right. We got tablets. It's mail. Oh, yeah. I think this is some of the wiring stuff. Got a lot more coming in, but got some stuff to unbox for you guys. And guess I got this from Hasport Motor Mounts. I got all the stuff from today. Go ahead and unbox this and see what's going on here. That's what we've been waiting on, boys. Big YouTuber guy here, so pardon my unboxing skills. Yeah, whatever. Got a butter knife. Here's the passenger side mount with some hardware in there. It feels like this is the one that gets welded on to the frame rail. Board on it. This is the lower one. This goes on the subframe like that, and the trans. So this is what actually sits on the subframe. And it goes in there like that. Yeah, it's right here. The cool thing about these is, let's see, flip it over. It's actually symmetrical and symmetrical, so you flip these and that adjusts the height of the motor on the well, actually this would be the driver's side transmission mount. So yeah, it's got the Hasport logo on both sides. Pretty cool flip mount. Yeah, this mounts on the transmission. And then this mount is in here. Yep. Here it's this side. Yeah. I don't really know. We'll see it in the car, but I think it goes like that. Passenger side mount. This one does not flip because the bracket on the car actually is two positions. So bolts in two different positions. I'm going to be trying to put mine on the lower setting. Since it's K20, it doesn't really matter. You can kind of use either. And this is the transmission bracket. I'm going to set this up on there and see what it's looking like in the car and on the motor. These mounts, super nice. They actually just bolt right on. You're supposed to weld it, and I'm obviously going to weld it, but you literally, I mean, you can literally bolt them on. There is a bolt hole here that I filled in my car, so I'm not going to be using that for now, but we're going to test fit the motor and everything, so before we weld anything on there. So we'll go ahead and test fit this with it how it is, put the other ones in there, and then see where it's at, if anything needs to be adjusted. So we'll continue on cracking away with this. I'm gonna get the mount on there and stuff and see how everything looks, and then go from there. But yeah, EFK2 kit, definitely the way to go. Hasport obviously has been kind of leading the industry for a while now for good reason. So at the rear subframe bracket thingy, Hasport includes hardware, which is awesome. Gonna be coming back out, but got that bracket on there for the dog bone looking mount. This one bolted on, and then this piece right here is the transmission bracket. So this goes on just like that, and I need a bolt to go in there. I think they supplied that, and then two nuts there, and then the three bolts on there into that right there. Straps on there, fits fucking perfectly. And yeah, so This should be pretty easy to lift up and drop in. I got some buddies on the way to come and help me out here with this soon. And then I guess I need to see how the rear trans thing goes on, and then we'll go from there. So yeah.
Probably. Intake in the front.
Putting the B series back in. What the fuck? I just got
Where did that
drenched.
He said it leaked.
Well, that's gonna be pretty fucking useless if it's gonna.
What are you doing, Steph?
Yeah.
It's pretty funny to hear you do it again.
Jeez.
What are you doing, Steph, bro?
Holy fuck. Is it even going up?
No, it's fucking just blowing all the pressure out of her.
This shit's fucking cooked. It ain't even gonna lift. It won't go up. Thanks, Jack. Okay, so as you saw, the fucking thing's fucked, so we're just gonna cut this little radiator support shit off, take off the traction bar, and then we'll just slide the motor in and then drop the car onto it. Kind of probably easier anyways, but we just gotta lop this shit off and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna take off the traction bar and then we'll be right back. Not anymore. It's not trash. It's how rust works too. If you cut away the rust, it's rust free. So we got the motor in the fucking car here. God bless. It's kind of pain in the ass, but now that I got it test fitted, I got the cables hooked up and shit. Tack those mounts up and shit. We also got the header on there as well, just test fitting that. All is fitting pretty good, so I'm fairly happy. Definitely a lot of work ahead, but at least it's in there now, so I can mock up everything and then we'll go from there. Yeah, I guess that's all I really got for this one. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.